Hey, my name is Dimi. I'm a bartender and an instructor at European Bartender School, where I train students every day to become the best bartenders they can be. We've created these episodes for you to learn some tips and tricks to have a taste of what it's like to be a bartender. Let's go! Hi guys, it's me again, and today I would like to teach you how to make a delicious punch for your friends the next time you get together. But first, a little bit of history. The word punch means 5 and it comes from Sanskrit. In this case, it stands for 5 different ingredients: water, sugar, lemon, alcohol and herbs or spices. In our case, it will not exactly be a traditional punch, but we're gonna make a nice twist. And now that we know how to balance a drink, we're going to freestyle a little. I'm going to begin by adding 600 milliliters of black tea. Then we add 200 milliliters of brandy. And then 100 milliliters of nice aged rum. And then 100 milliliters of oleo sacrum. Then we add some fresh grapefruit slices. Give it a nice stir. And then we add some cinnamon and rosemary. And there you have it guys, a delicious punch. Don't forget to improvise every now and then. Cheers!
Hey guys, click here if you want to learn more about European Bartender School, or click here if you want to watch more videos. Oh. Cheers!